Hi besties, so this is a detailed tutorial on how you can easily do your boho knotless braid. First thing you have to do is to part out your hair. Go ahead to divide it into three. Then you're going to start up your braid. You're going to braid it once or twice. Then the next thing, you're going to start adding your extension. So if you want to add the extension so that the addition area will be visible, this is what you should do. So you leave one side of the extension aside, then you braid, you add it. Add the first one, go ahead and pick the next one and add, you braid, leave it aside, you braid, and then you add. Remember, before you start up, you must have prep out your extensions and then set them aside. If you have the prepping rack, fine. If you don't have, just get something to make sure you prep out the extension, at least the ones that will be enough for one braid before you go ahead to start braiding. So you add the first one, add the second one, then you add the third one. Then you're going to braid a bit. Then the next thing we are going to do now is to start adding our boho coils. Remember, we are doing knotless boho braids. So you get your coil, you add. This is how you hide the addition place. You hide it, and then you're going to braid, and then you braid, and then you braid, then you take out the coils and then you set it aside, which is the boho coils. You can use human hair boho coils, you can use any boho of your choice. So you add the first coil, you are going to braid it a bit, and then go ahead and add the second coil, then you braid again, then you will take out the boho and then get it aside. You can use your peg or your pin to clip them. Okay, then you take out the coils and then you're going to braid a bit, and then you add another coils depending on the number of coils you need. So if you need to add extra extensions to the braid, this is how to do it so that the addition place will not be visible. So you add, see the way I'm adding the extra extension. This is extension that I added, not coils. So this is how you will add it in order not to reveal the addition place. So the next I'm going to do is to add another coils. Each braid is going to have at least 3 boho coils. Okay, then when you add the third one, you take it out, and then we are going to continue braiding depending on the number of coils that you need. So this is typically how the easiest way you can easily do your boho braids. If you found any value from this video, do not forget to like and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.